All right. What do we got going on today?
We're skydiving.
Going skydiving. That explains that fancy suit you're wearing. Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
I turned 26 on Sunday.
What? This is a birthday jump? Yeah! No way better to celebrate birthdays than going skydiving. So I'm super stoked. Are you stoked?
Yeah.
You ready to go?
Yes.
I'm ready to go too. Let's get this going. Here we go. Woo! Do a good smile on that camera, skydiving. How you feeling?
Oh, it was so scary, but it was worth it. So much fun.
Is it something you think you'd ever do again?
Absolutely, for sure.
I want to hear. What was your favorite part?
I think running out of air weirdly felt like I was alive.
Yeah, did you were up there, you're screaming,
Yeah.
woo, you just ran out, you're like, oh yeah, I gotta breathe.
Yes.
Well, you absolutely did an amazing job. That was so good. Thank you so much for jumping with us.
Thank you so much.
At Skydive Colorado Springs. And happy
yeah.
birthday!
Thank you.
Yes!